Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to paint watercolor florals. You will need watercolors, a sketch paper or a drawing paper, and some pointy brushes. We will begin with a blob in the center or a thick dot, and then overlapping the dot with the C-shaped strokes around it. After I'm done drawing the C-shaped strokes, I'll wash the brush and take a little color on it and make wider strokes that are thinner in the beginning and thicker in the center and thinner again at the end of it. I began with 3 petals that are small in size, then went ahead making bigger C strokes with 4 petals overlapping each other and making sure that bigger it gets, lighter the shades needs to be. To make the outer petals wider, always put more pressure in the center of it. Continue arranging the petals until you are satisfied. To achieve lighter shades, you will have to dip the brush in the water and take away the excess paint.
For all the times that I needed a friend, I prayed to Allah that my sadness would end. Then He sent you to me, I can't comprehend how I could deserve such a blessing from Him. And it made me wanna write a song, cause I needed you to know that you're my girl and we're a team, girl. You complete my dream, girl, and I'll never be moving on. I'll be there by your side when times are rough, you're feeling down, girl. I'll still be around, girl. My mama, she likes you and she don't like everyone, and that's how I knew that I found me the one.
Once I'm done, I'll take a smaller brush that is thin in size to make the outlines of the petals. Here I have mixed paint with very little water in it. Now I'm going over every petal and drawing lines to give it more definition.
So much Habibti, I just want you to myself. And I don't think the stars could keep us apart. My angel, you and me were something else. For all the times when I didn't feel so strong, you were there to tell me I could go on. So now I owe so much to you and Allah, for bringing peace to such a
With a pointy brush, I will now blend the lines, having my brush a little wet.
cause I needed you to know that you're my girl and we're a team, girl. You complete my dream, girl, and I'll never be moving on. I'll be there by your side when times are rough, you're feeling down, girl. I'll still be around, girl. My mama, she likes you and she don't like everyone, and that's how I knew that I found me the one.
While blending, make sure to keep some empty spaces that are white spaces in the painting.
That someone else could help me see how to be a better me. Cause girl, I love the way you look so much. Habibti, I just want you to myself. And I don't think the stars could keep us apart. My angel, you and me were something else. Cause girl, I love the way you look so much. Habibti, I just want you to myself. And I don't think the stars could keep us apart. My angel, you and me were something else.
Now we are going to add some leaves to this flower. For that, I mix 2 shades of green to paint the leaves. For the leaves, I use 2 combination of C strokes. Make the leaves a little pointy towards the tip of it.
وظننت أنا أني بذلك حزت غنى فوجدت أني خاسر فتلك مظاهر. لا 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 نحتاج المال كي نزداد جمالا، جوهرنا هنا في القلب كلا. لا 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 نرضي الناس بما لا نرضاه لنا حالا، ذاك جمالنا يسمو يتعالى. أتقبلهم الناس لست أقلدهم إلا بما يرضيني كي أرضيني. سأكون أنا مثلي تماما، هذا أنا فقناعتي تكفيني، ذاك يقيني. لا 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 نحتاج المال كي نزداد جمالا، جوهرنا هنا في القلب كلا. لا 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 نرضي الناس بما لا نرضاه لنا حالا، ذاك جمالنا يسمو يتعالى.
Thank you for watching the video till the end. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like and share the video. Until then, goodbye.